Hello, everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a formal analysis of the two Fridas by Frida Kahlo. I hope I'm saying that right. I do just want to go ahead and preface I am unfortunately recovering from strep throat right now, and this is just how my voice sounds, so please bear with me. I apologize. I know I sound a little interesting. So let's go ahead and get to the analysis. I want to begin by saying that this painting was created, like I said, by Frida Kahlo in 1939. Here you can see a double figure of a self-portrait of Frida. In this image, the two Fridas are holding hands and are connected by a line that connects the heart. So in this painting, Frida has her heart outside of her chest, and you can see the heart on top of one of the portrait's chest while the other one is lacking a heart. So she used this as a form of expressionism when it came to the heartbreak and the internal heart, the pain within her heart that she was experiencing, as this painting was created shortly after she had divorced Diego Rivera, another artist. And so she's using this heart to show the heartbreak that she felt from the divorce. I do find it very interesting how she has the heart connecting the two self-portraits, and we'll get into that in just a moment. So I want to talk about why there's two self-portraits instead of one. So this is representing, this is representing her struggle within her own self-identity. So within this piece, she is showing that she is struggling and doesn't know who she truly is. She is feeling lost, and a lot of this is coming from the change that she was experiencing within her life, as she had many health problems, especially within her spine, as she had a spinal injury, and she was getting surgeries that were not helping. And then with the divorce from her husband, she was just struggling within knowing who she was. And so because of that, she created two versions of herself. One version where she was lacking her heart, she was wearing clothing that pertained to her heritage. So she was showing part of that side of herself. And then she has her other outfit, which is more of something that she would wear that wasn't pertaining to her heritage, showing that side of herself. Another thing that I find interesting is the eye contact and just the straight face. They show no emotion, but they are holding hands, which I think shows a sense of unity within Frida herself, as she was confused. I think she struggled within her identity, but she was unified with herself, and I think that no matter what part of her she thought she was, or no matter who she thought she truly was, she supported herself and loved herself. And so I think that's why you see that unity within the two images. The two figures. And then lastly, I want to discuss the background. So you see it's a very blue, gloomy scene. I find it interesting. It almost looks like clouds, and I would analyze this portion of the image and say that it is almost as if her head are in the clouds. As a common saying, I feel like that is true within this painting. I think that she is focused. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I think she is very focused on her identity and the confusion that comes with it, and so because of that, she's not focused on anything else. Her head is in the clouds. She is simply just trying to figure out who she is and to be able to live knowing who she is and not be confused and not have to struggle within that. There is one other thing that I wanted to mention pertaining to analyzing the actual image. Continuing off the idea of the unity that the double image has within the double figures, I also think alongside them holding hands, it's also very interesting how they're sitting very close together. I just think that furthers the unification of the two different identities of Frida. And I think Frida does a great job of sticking to a smaller color palette and focusing the colors that she chose to continue to convey the message that she is trying to show through this piece. I think the white skirt portion of the dress with the red blood adds the dramatic effect of the fact that she is bleeding and lacking a heart. And I think she does a great job of using a vibrant red color to allow the heart to stand out within the painting, because that's such an important aspect of the message within this piece. So yeah, that's my formal analysis. Thank you.